Welcome to Coaching Chief. Today we are going to look at something beautiful. Everything around you, your phone, water, even the air you are breathing right now is made of something called matter. But what exactly is matter, and why does it exist in different forms? Matter is anything that has mass, and occupies space. In simple terms, if something takes up space, and you can weigh it, then it is matter. For example, a book, water, air, and your body, all of these are forms of matter. Matter is everywhere. The chair you are sitting on, the clothes you are wearing, the food you eat, and even the air around you, all of these are matter. However, not everything is matter. Things like light, heat, and sound are forms of energy, not matter. But here is something interesting. All these things do not behave the same way. A stone is hard, and keeps its shape. Water flows. And air spreads everywhere. Because of these differences, scientists group matter into forms called states of matter. The main states of matter are solids, liquids, gases, and plasma. Solids have a fixed shape, and a fixed volume. This means they keep their shape, unless a force is applied. Examples include a table, a book, and a stone. Liquids have a fixed volume, but no fixed shape. They take the shape of the container they are in. Examples include water, milk, and oil. Gases have no fixed shape, and no fixed volume. They spread out, and fill any space available. Examples include air, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. There is also a fourth state of matter called plasma. Plasma forms when a gas is heated to extremely high temperatures, causing its particles to become charged. It is found in places like the sun, lightning, and some types of lamps. Plasma is the most energetic state of matter. The reason these states behave differently is because of how their particles are arranged. In solids, particles are tightly packed together. In liquids, particles are more loosely arranged, and can move around. In gases, particles are far apart, and move freely. In plasma, particles are highly energetic, and charged. So, to summarize, matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. And it exists in different forms called states: solids, liquids, gases, and plasma. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow, for more simple and clear science lessons for Cambridge and UNEB students. See you in the next video.